Very active market today. Joining us, Scott Wren of Wells Fargo Investment Institute and Brenda Vingello of Sandhill Global Advisors and CNBC contributor. Thank you both for joining us. Scott, let's start with you. We've got thin trading, but still a significant sell-off to end the week today. No major catalyst, but do you think the soured sentiment continues into next week for the end of the year?
Well, to be honest with you, Leslie, we kind of wish it would, because we're trying to be patient here. We could take another step toward cyclical risk and just stock risk if we felt like we had a halfway decent pullback, 7%, 10% total, something like that, which, if you look at the charts right now, somewhere in the 57.50 range would be good support there. So, if you get a pullback there, I think we'd be more interested here. In the meantime, we're trying to be patient. And I think anytime there's confusion with the Fed, is inflation going to go up? Is it going to go down? Are they going to hike more? Are they going to hike less? That's the kind of volatility that can help investors if they have a decent feel for the economy going forward. If you get some downside and you think the economy is going to be pretty good, you want to step in there and buy. So that's what we're trying to do. And I think we're going to certainly be in for some volatility here over the next few months.
Brenda, it feels like uncertainty with the path of monetary policy has been the narrative for the last few years now. What is your read on the economy, and how is it affecting the way that you're balancing your portfolio right now?
Well, I think the economy is still very healthy, and that's the good news. So healthy economy, healthy corporate earnings story. But I think when we look at valuation, it's starting to get to that stretch level. So I think it's something to pay attention to. It's not an end-all be-all, but I think it does mean, in our view, that the market could be more susceptible to volatility. So I agree with Scott that as we head into next year, I think we could be in for a year of more volatility, particularly around policy with this new administration. There are still a lot of questions. Things could work out beautifully, or they couldn't. So we just don't know that right now. But certainly watching for anything that would impact the corporate earnings story to the positive or negative, and same thing on the economy. But overall, we think it's makes sense to maintain exposure to equity. But in our portfolios, we have been trimming some exposure to large cap stocks, just given the decent run that they've had this year, and recently added the equal weight S&P 500 vehicle, which hasn't acted very well, but we think it's a good setup heading into next year when we think there should be more broadening in the overall market.
Brenda, if you don't mind, I'm going to stick with you for a second. I want to talk about tech. The Mag 7 mega cap tech really leading the declines today. Again, low volume trading. We know that it's a holiday week and all that. But is there anything we can take away from the action that we saw today?
I think if you look at some of the larger names, like an Apple, for example, it's all the way back up to 30 times forward earnings. So it's expensive. Yes, there's a great story there unfolding with the replacement cycle. We think, though, that could be a little bit more prolonged and not happen all at once because of the gradual rollout of the AI products. But I think just in general, there's a lot of good news baked into the mega cap tech stocks, and they have acted well over the last month, even though a lot of other sectors have not. So I do think that this is probably potentially some profit taking, which we would agree with at this stage. And we think we could see even more of that as we head into next year. People are waiting for the new year to realize gains, but we think it makes sense to probably realize some gains this year as well, and to get ahead of that, because I think there could be more volatility in the first couple of weeks of the year as a result.